So, Paco, what do you think of our weather?
Pretty sure it's Taco, not Paco, lady.
Oh, Taco.
Yeah, but that's okay.
What do you think of our weather?
I don't like it very much.
I know, it makes you shiver.
A little bit.
Well,
did you see my beard?
I think it's really cute.
It doesn't keep me any warmer.
You look a little like a billy goat.
A billy goat?
Yes.
Do billy goats have these really cool ears that I can hear everything with?
I think they do have up ears.
Oh, do they? What you got?
I'm not terribly familiar with
goats.
What is
this? This must be a northern thing.
It
is stick.
A stick.
I'm not really interested in the stick on me. No.
Well.
So, you want to know what's fun?
What?
Running.
Is it?
I love to run and play.
Do ya?
Yep. You want to know what else is fun?
What?
New collars.
I know.
I've got a new one on right now.
Somebody bought these for us from Amazon and sent them. I just opened them.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's always
fresh
like
out of the
Christmas
box
when we get gifts for our dogs.
Yes. I don't like that either.
What about that?
No, I don't like that either. I don't like anything you've got.
This is kind of fun.
No, I don't like it either.
Okay.
So I'm a little picky, huh?
A little bit.
What's up there?
It's your voice.
Whoa, that's way up there. My head's straight up. I can't. I'm gonna tip over here.
Don't tip over.
Oh.
No.
That was a good shot of my beard, don't you think?
It was.
Okay.
You're undercut there. This?
No thanks.
Mhm.
How about some bacon?
We gotta go.
Oh, okay, bye.